Okay, welcome to another Treasure Divers Toolbox talk. The workshop now, it's getting towards Christmas. It's winter in England and it's getting very cold out here. And to do any more maintenance on the boat, it would be nice if we had a bit of warmth. Plus I've got to do some patch repair on the tubes, and for that you need a certain temperature. So we've invested in this Marco 30 kilowatt diesel space heater. So I thought you guys might like to see what these are like and how they perform. Not sure why the screws have to be so long. I think I'll shorten that once we know which way around it goes. Okay, like all good Boy Scouts, I've got a selection of nuts and bolts here, so I've chosen some short ones. Okay, now we're sure that this is how it goes together. We can just secure these split pins. I'll just sort out these ridiculously long nuts and bolts, and then we're done. Remember, when you build something like this, you should always have a good handful of nuts and bolts left over. Right, I bought 20 litres of red diesel. It's cheaper than white diesel and it's perfectly legal to use in static machinery. So I've just popped in 10 litres into this. This is the tank anyway, the fuel tank. I've just popped 10 litres in there. And now we'll fire her up and see what happens. Okay, we've just plugged her in.